Hi everyone, so today is Monday night. I am packing my husband's lunch for tomorrow for Tuesday, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Over here, back here, I just have this bottle, this glass bottle that I had some syrup from IKEA that we had in it. I washed it out and I actually filled it up with this Newman's 100% grape juice, this huge bottle. You get 2 of them at Costco, and obviously he can't take the huge bottle with him, but I put some in there. And then again, just a bunch of leftovers. We have some of that sauteed cabbage that I made a video on. That's the last of it. And I put some little sausages, and over here I have some fresh mozzarella that I just picked up from Costco, and then 2 little red peppers, roasted red peppers, some sauteed onions that he made the other day that he wanted, and then just a couple ends of the pigs in a blanket, the big long foot pigs in a blanket that we did the other day. And there's just a couple like little ends and pieces that were left over from the kids. And then that's the last of the raisin bread that we had at Costco, some Cheetos, a pear, a banana, and then these over here, these are actually frozen. I just took them out of the freezer. But basically I just made like bread dough, and I made little balls and stuffed them with feta cheese, dill, salt, and pepper, and I used an egg to bind it all together and stuffed them with that filling, wrapped them up, and then I just sprinkled some garlic powder on top of them, and I baked them in the oven. And I did make over 100 of them in the course of 2 days, and I wrapped them up individually, and then I put them in Ziploc bags, freezer Ziploc bags, and he really loves those. So I put him 3 of those, and yeah, it's not anything exciting tomorrow, but like I said, we're just finishing up everything out of the fridge, and then tomorrow I'm probably gonna take out a chicken or something and make some more food. Okay guys, till tomorrow. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you have a wonderful night. Bye bye.